All right, let's bring you more on our developing story. Now, the bail hearing in the triple murder case against 5 accused in Mahikeng has now been postponed to next Wednesday. The suspects are facing charges linked to the murder of 3 people, including a 1-year-old boy. Watching these developments is our Zebilon Maine, who joins us now from Southside Court. Zebilon, take us through why this case was postponed.
Yes, indeed, Ayanda, the case didn't continue for long this morning, as we have heard from the court that it had to be postponed to until next week, Wednesday and Thursday, because the investigating officer in this case, Gabet Committee, is ill, so that's why the court had to postpone this case up until next week, Wednesday and Thursday. But let me bring you one of the family members here, Ernest Sekao, who's going to share with us how do they feel with regards to this postponement. And Sekao, thanks very much for joining us. Mo bekeng e tlang ka la boraro ka nteteng ya gore matisimo kgetseng ye wa lwala lona le le balelapa le tsayang ntlha
re le balelapa le morahi kgang e rutisa botlhoko ka gore e re busetsa go morago re na le ngwaga tse 5 re dutse hela mapodisi re sa itse gore tota ba re beile ha kae mo casing ya rona e bana ba rona ba tlhokagetse ba latlhetse mo di toilet mo e leng gore morago ga kgweditse 3 ha mapodisi re sena go tsa stepe sa bobedi ba re thusa ba ile gore re ile go mabatho re kgore go thusiwa ha ba hetsa go re thusa case e boela go morago gantsi ntsi re khotla maikutlo baagi ba haba re le family le rona re tla ha ra bereka re helwa ke ditšhelete mme hela se re se kopang mo khoto ke gore ba tse decision ba belaelwa mo teng go itlhalla kgetsi e sekwa e hetsa ntle le bail seo ga re se batle ga re batle go ba bona ba tsetse ko nterra.
There is Ernest Sekao, family representative, saying that they don't want the accused to be granted bail. And also, he's saying that it's very costly for them to travel to come to court now and then, and at the ultimate end, there's a postponement. But let me bring you one of the defense team here. Thanks very much for joining us. Can you please introduce yourself?
Yes, I'm Samson Lishulu, an attorney for accused number 2, 3 and 5 in this case.
Right. We heard you raising a concern after there was an issue of postponing this matter. What are the concerns that you have raised?
Look, our concern is that bail ordinarily is done on urgent basis, and then the accused person have been in custody since they've been arrested, I think, on the 15th of June. Now the matter was postponed today to continue with cross-examination of the IO state witness, who then they informed us this morning that she will not be here because of ill health, and then the court also ordered that she should bring a medical certificate to prove that. But our concerns are mainly that accused number 2 and accused number 5, they are employed gainfully so, and then they have children that they are looking after. So it's best that the matter is proceeded with and completed with timelessly. This is why, even though we were reluctant, we had to concede to a postponement to the 10th and 11th of this month. So we hope that on that day indeed we'll proceed, and then justice be served or be done either to the committee or the accused persons. We are not in any way obviously suggesting or assuming that the accused person will be granted bail, but it's best for them to know their fate timelessly and within the prescripts of the law.
Then, according to you as their lawyer, do you think this accused are innocent in this matter by the look of things?
No, I wouldn't speak to that at this point. Reality of the matter is that we are not in possession of a case docket. Anything that I'll say to that effect will be wrong and very presumptuous. So we'd have to wait first to see or be given the case contents of the case docket. Then we can obviously study what is contained as far as the allegations are concerned. What we know is that there's an eyewitness who we don't know. We don't know what they said. We just dealing with bail application for now, whether the interest of justice, together with the exceptional circumstances, permits their release on bail at this particular point.
Thanks very much. That's one of the defense who's representing the accused in this matter, citing that really it's a really a tough matter, and also he's saying that there is no need for this case. They want this case basically to proceed because they want their clients to be released because some of them, they have children that they are looking after since the schools are opening next week. So it's a challenge for them. Hence, they want this bail application to be concluded as soon as possible.
Right, Zebilon Maine, thanks very much indeed. Certainly is a difficult story, and I can see some residents there behind you, presumably calling for justice as they watch this case unfold. Zebilon Maine is live to us there from just outside the Mahikeng Magistrates Court in the northwest.